It's you.
I lost her.
All right, fine. Welcome to Sesame Street Monster Music.
Where you get to jam with us, your Sesame Street friends.
Oh boy, they're going to be jam?
No, not that kind of jam, Cookie Monster. Let's get started. Tap on a friend to get started.
Me. Oh, me so excited to sing. Come on and sing with me, foodie friends. Tap a food to make music.
Tomato.
Rock and roll.
Tomato. Orange. Banana.
Sure be tasty right now. Broccoli.
Beet.
Pineapple.
Tomato. Orange. Tomato. Orange. Banana.
Broccoli.
Beet.
Pineapple.
Tomato. Orange. Banana.
Broccoli.
Beet.
Uh-huh. Oh boy, that's so much fun. Me not even think about cookies. Well, maybe a little bit.
What instrument do you want almost ready to tickle those keys? Let's play on Elmo's keyboard. Tap a key to make music. Let's rock, baby.
I hope you can keep a beat. Let's play on my trashy drum kit. All right. Yeah, the noisier the better.
Yahoo! Let's go! Let's play on my fairy guitar. Tap a string to make music. What a magical musical moment.
Well, hello, Kick the
I
Butty.
live in a box.
Are you just trying to live in a box? Staying here forever instead of dying?
Is that for me? Excellent choice.
You know what?
Yummy for my tummy.
This. Do I supposed to claim this?
There's nothing sacred.
You got exploded. Well, try do something else
Excellent choice.
instead of foods. Let's do Power of God's Night.
Oh, fine, yes, that'll work. Good choice.
Actually, let's just
No,
do
no, no,
a
no, not that.
tornado.
I know a psychologist. Holler at you, buddy.
Hey, kick the button.
No, not that.
There's one really important thing that you should do.
Boring.
Don't worry. Goodbye.
No. Oh, please, God, no, please. What's wrong with...
Hope you get drowned. What? Had you already died from all that imposter things?
Open the window. This pain. Stop by the roll.
I told you. This wouldn't have happened.
Make it a good one.
Now we have 32 in the Grand Prix. Wow, we got 3 of them.
Ooh-wee.
Now, do we get a new element or so? Let's just do one more. Oh yeah, that's
Run!
Jack and the piano. That is 25. Luckily, we didn't earn the piano.
Stop, drop, and roll. I'm burning. Open the window.
Hope
Stop,
you
drop, and
burn.
roll. What?
Oh no, it's Becca! Hey! Don't say that! Looks like you have to go potty. I can see you looking at me. I told you why. You're just yelling. You look very angry-ish. And look at you. Hey, stop yelling like that. That's how I'm doing. What did you say? Wow, your pretty rose flowers. Look at you two. Well, going potty isn't gonna be bad if you wouldn't have to anytime. What did you say? What did you say? Did you say pull up his socks? And stop saying whoa! Acting like crazy foolish stuff. Wow, you really didn't care about me. Nope. No! Sit down! No! Good job, Hank, for sitting down. You're in trouble. I know that. You're in trouble. How many times you acting like a foolish? You didn't have enough choice, but you really know why. Okay, that's fine. And, think you can play inside together. What are you doing? Looking at me in this upset face? Did you just want to go potty? Wow, you're the very loudest guy that I ever knew in the whole wide world. And look at Becca looking at me and Ben looking at me. Wow. You're so mean. I cannot let you in that now. Oh, the cute. Be the loudest. Wow, you're really loud. Stop saying that. What are you doing again? Thinking it's funny you go potty training? Say, Well, you can be all that mean. I dare you. Oh, look at you. You an upset face. Funny if you go potty. I couldn't get pee. Have fun, you all. I don't care. Look what you're doing! Looking at me in that potty upset face! Looks like you have to go potty. But you already have a potty. It's over there. Looks like you're looking at me. You need to go potty because potty is so important for you. Do you want to... Hey! Don't say pull off his socks! Oh my God! Quit saying pull off his socks! We're not pulling off his socks! You just do busy stuff. Play video games. What are you doing, Hank? You want to go in the present bag? Looks like you're sitting down. Hold it still! Don't worry, you'll be fine. Fine, I'll take you potty. Both look at the lights. Oh yeah, we're looking for the red one. That's cool. Now we got the second one, which is Saturn. That's the moon. Now we have Venus. Welcome to your home, Earth. Now we're looking for a moon. Maybe not a moon. It's just one of these things like holes. I think there are holes in planets. 6 times 5 is 30. Wow, I'm very clever at multiplication. Let's just play rock and roll. Let's sing the song about Angela going to potty. Oh no! What happened to Angela? It looks like she needs to go potty. She looks like she needs to go potty. Quick, quick, quick. There is a potty for her. Potty. A potty for her. A potty. A potty for her. A potty. A potty for her. We got 100 buses. Now we got 10 tons for the second round. Angela needs to go potty. There is a toilet bathroom. We need to get in the potty so you won't poop or pee itself. La 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 la. Potty. Wipe your bums, wash your hands, and then you're done. 21 times 10 is 210. Wow, you're very clever at math. You're hungry. Give